Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. At the top of Vocabland, nothing blocks the sky or the path ahead. Timo the Word Scout reaches the peak of liberty, where everything feels wide open. Heavy gear is set aside, and movement starts to feel light and easy. A new word fits this feeling of freedom: unfettered. Unfettered means moving freely, with nothing holding you back. Steps feel lighter, without anything slowing the way. Exploring feels natural when there are no limits. New paths appear when freedom leads the journey. The open land makes every direction feel possible. Timo remembers that being unfettered means moving freely, ready for whatever comes next.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.